Oh, hey guys. Hey, you're stuck in the backyard playing with your meat, and you gotta flip that big chunk of meat every once in a while, make sure it don't burn. You're bored as hell. Wife's in the house. She's not looking. What do? You reach into your pants and you pull out your Hill Gibbons throwing knives. Yeah, now that you want to play with. Better than that big piece of meat over there. Oh, so we go over here. Throwing wall's right there. Let's see. And woohoo! Here we go. Kill! What the frick you think I was playing with? Reaching into my pants? Of course it's my throwing knives. Hey, look at that, man. Hey, that's good pattern. All right, hey, don't tell my wife. She gets pissed when I'm throwing knives all the time. Later, dude.